In this tutorial, I will show you how to add the data in Excel. So let's go to Excel. You already copy the data from Excel from ImageJ. Remember, try that these two columns uh, match each other, and the most important is this one, X and Y. I highlighted in red for you to see. And what you're going to do in this tutorial is just to click Shift. Yeah, after copy it, you click Shift, hold it, and they go with your cursor or with your mouse down. And you're going to copy this data in in this area for comparison. Yeah. So for example, you can click here. Let's copy it again. So Control C, go to the second page, comparison, then go to here, copy it here, then you can also copy in all these red places, and you can also copy in this one. So take all the data and copy it 5 times in the comparison page, in delta page, and in the graph and individual movement page. Yeah, in all the red spaces where there is an X and Y. And why? Because, for example, in this one, you can compare how similar is your data to mine. Yeah, if and to see if there is any particular difference. Yeah. Then here there is a formula. For example, you cannot, if you click here, you cannot change this. So I put the data for you to show you how we calculate this delta. So we calculate what happened in time 2, and we subtract the value in time 1 to see how much the bristle is moving, both in x-axis and as well as in the y-axis. And then when we copy this, if you see this is the data that I already calculate, and here is the data that you copy. If I remove this, I delete it, there will be there's no figures. But if I go back, the figures appear and you can see the parameters. So for example, you see that in my data, this is the pattern and it is the same. However, in the x-axis, this is different. So we can see if there is a mistake or no. And in that way, we can see where are the mistakes, and we can check in Excel or in ImageJ if there is any problem. Then if you also copy the value here, you can see the trajectory of the movement. So again, if you remove this data, the data will disappear. But as we already inserted here and copy and pasted here, now you can see what is the trajectory of this bristle, a specific bristle, and also what is the distance. So for example, this bristle move in the y-axis 16 pixels, while here you move only 20 or less than 20 pixels to the right. Yeah, so we can start seeing calculated the speed, calculated the distance, calculated the different angles in which each bristle moved. And the idea, now that you know how we did it, we're going to do something similar with your own movie for the different bristles that are encircled. Yeah, so in the next tutorial I will show you how to do this in a very easy way.